Have you ever imagined picking fresh, crisp cucumbers from just one container on your balcony or patio? The truth is, you don't need a large garden to enjoy homegrown cucumbers. With the right container, good soil, and a few simple techniques, one healthy cucumber plant can reward you with dozens of delicious fruits throughout the growing season. The best part? You can get started for less than $5 using simple materials you may already have at home. In this video, I'll walk you through every step, from choosing the right container to harvesting fresh cucumbers. Even if you've never grown a plant before, you'll have everything you need to start with confidence. Let's begin. The first step is choosing the right container. Cucumber plants grow quickly and develop strong root systems, so they need plenty of space. Choose a container that holds at least 5 gallons of soil and is about 12 to 18 inches deep. You don't need an expensive planter. Plastic buckets, grow bags, storage containers, or large flower pots all work well. Whatever you choose, make sure it has several drainage holes in the bottom. Without proper drainage, excess water can cause root rot and weaken your plant before it has a chance to produce fruit. Now let's talk about soil. Many beginners make the mistake of filling containers with ordinary garden soil. Unfortunately, garden soil becomes compact inside containers, making it difficult for roots to grow. Instead, use a high-quality potting mix. It drains well while holding enough moisture for healthy growth. For even better results, mix in compost or well-rotted manure. These natural materials improve soil fertility and provide nutrients that cucumber plants love. The next step is choosing the right cucumber variety. If you're growing in containers, bush varieties are usually the best option because they stay compact and are easier to manage. If you choose a climbing variety, don't worry. You can simply add a trellis or stake to support the vines and save space. Now it's time to plant. If you're planting seeds, sow them about 1 inch deep. If you're using seedlings, carefully remove them from their nursery pots without damaging the roots. Plant them at the same depth they were growing before and gently press the soil around the base. Water thoroughly after planting so the roots settle into their new home. Cucumbers love sunshine. Place your container where it receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. More sunlight usually means stronger plants, more flowers, and a larger harvest. If your growing space receives only partial sunlight, your cucumbers may still grow, but they won't produce as heavily. Watering is one of the most important parts of growing cucumbers. Unlike some vegetables, cucumbers need consistently moist soil. Don't let the soil dry out completely. Instead, water deeply whenever the top inch of soil begins to dry. Morning is usually the best time to water because it gives the plant time to dry before evening, reducing the risk of disease. As your cucumber plant grows, it will need regular feeding. Once flowers begin to appear, apply a balanced vegetable fertilizer or compost tea every 2 weeks. Avoid using too much nitrogen because it encourages leafy growth instead of fruit production. If you're growing climbing cucumbers, install a trellis early. Supporting the vines keeps the fruit off the ground, improves air circulation, reduces disease, and makes harvesting much easier. Keep an eye out for common problems. Yellow leaves may indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiencies. White powder on the leaves can be a sign of powdery mildew. If flowers appear but no cucumbers develop, your plant may need better pollination. Inspect your plants regularly so you can solve small problems before they become serious. Harvest your cucumbers while they are still young, firm, and bright green. Don't wait until they become oversized. Frequent harvesting encourages the plant to produce even more cucumbers throughout the season. Before we finish, remember these 5 simple rules. Choose a large container. Use quality potting mix. Give your plants plenty of sunlight. Keep the soil consistently moist. Feed your plants regularly. Follow these simple steps, and you'll soon enjoy fresh, crunchy cucumbers grown right outside your door. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another gardening guide. Now tell me in the comments, what vegetable would you like to grow next?